Hey guys, it's Eric Green from Tax Rep Network. I have gotten so many complaints. People join programs, they need to spend a lot of money to find clients. Don't. Okay. On September 5th, I'm doing a free 1 hour webinar on how to get IRS representation clients without spending a dime. Now, look, can you really do it without spending a dime? Absolutely. Absolutely. I've got plenty of members that have done it. The biggest thing here, I will suggest a few cheap, um, maybe software add-ons, some AI stuff that can actually help accelerate this. But we're talking like allowance money, right? Now, look, I know people that have expensive programs and want you to spend a lot of money. Will those programs work? Yeah, they will. Absolutely. Do you need to spend that money to build a 300, 500,000, even $1 million practice? No. And I can tell you that because I did it and I didn't spend money on marketing. I didn't have it. Most of my tax rep members come to us because they're trying to make more money, not because they show up with a budget that they want to spend. So again, September 5th, I'll put the link in the description below. We are going to do a 1 hour where I'm going to walk you through simple, easy steps that you can take right now. All right. Literally that afternoon and start attracting IRS representation clients without spending any money. Or if you do want to spend some money, not spending very much. All right. So I hope you can join us. Thanks for watching the quick video. If you could hit like and subscribe, it helps us to spread the word. And check the link below, register. And by the way, one more thing. All of our programs are recorded, and you'll, as someone who registers, you'll get the link to watch the recording. So you don't have to email us. I can't make that date. I can't make that time. Don't worry about it. Register. And if you can make the program live, that's fantastic. If you can't, don't worry about it. About an hour or two after the program is done, you'll get an email with a link to the recording and the handout materials. All right. I can assure you it's going to be extremely helpful. So, to a great 2025 and very profitable 2026, join us September 5th. How to get IRS rep clients without spending a dime.